Hello and welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you that how to repair this bad Toyota Prius cars, this brake pedal, this parking brake pedals covers issue. And now I have really issue that this my current parking brakes, this soft, this rubber cover, it is so bad that it drops away when I use this Toyota Prius cars, this cabin areas, foot brake. It is like foot parking brake. And how I can install this cover back? And this is now my issue, because this is difficult to install back, and for that area we have excellent solution. And you might know and think that what is this solution? Okay, and solution is really that now we have to purchase from Amazon.com or directly from internet this Sika elastic glue, and we can use this Sika Flex 221 or similar 229 in USA, or some another Sikas this elastic glue, and this must be in glue what is extremely good and elastic, and Sika is the only brand what I can recommend. I have used that Sika products even more than Toyota cars, because Sika came in market in 1990s, and I start to immediately use that device, this Sika. And this Sika products, these come from this small country from Europe, and it is nice Switzerland country, Swiss. This country makes also excellent chocolate, Toblerone, but I like more these Sika products because these are like Toyota quality. They are the same level in glues like Toyota in cars or trucks, and they are made to last 20 years. Remember, Sika's products, they are so well made that I can recommend only glue what is made by Sika. And let's go to install then this glue in this back area, and we can see that how I install this back in position. And now we are looking inside this Toyota Prius car, and in here we can see in that area this issue area, foot parking brake pedal. This pedal is really in this black one what I am now zooming, and as you can see there is now this upper and outer rubber cover away, and this pedal is now almost useless because this is so slippery and wet. And when we compare in this right areas parking brake, there is this nice rubber thing in position. And next I have to install in this area, I have to pre-work with this area, and that means that now I need sandpaper and also heater, because I have to heat up this steel metallic area in hot, and after that this Sika glue works better. Okay, and I really need firstly sandpaper, and here I have one unit, it looks like that, and we need hardness what is now about 40 in this back area. 40 is this hardness, and this is quite hard material, and now I need to sand this all steel away in here, in that area. Sorry, this paint away in the sides, and make this area like scratch. Okay, and now there are those scratches. That I need my heater that I heat up this area, and I remove all water and other dirties. Okay, and here is really my heater, and now I heat up this area, and this is important. There is this my heater, and this is really hot heater what generates like 500 Celsius heat. And now I dry this area. This is, look, this is totally red. Okay, excellent. Okay, and now this pre-work is ready, and next step is that I need to install in here this glue. And now everything is ready, and now I have to firstly install this my cover in this first step in here, in that way, and I have to check that in what way this goes in back. And now it is in position, but in my case this is too slippery. It goes away too easily. And now I have to install my glue in here and also inside in this area, and I will do that glue adding next. And now I have the Sika glue, and I add this glue in firstly in this area. All these things I add in there quite much, and this is nice. This is black glue, and this hole in this way. Good. And then I add also my glue in there inside in this my rubber, this rubber area in here, in that way, these corners. And remember that I can clean finally this extra glue away. Okay, now there is nicely this glue, and next I install this my part in this position, and in same way, and I press that in here, and now I have to press this deeper in there inside. I take better at that I can use both hands. Now I have to find this position, and now I need to work a little bit. This goes deeper, and this is really critical that I press that in deep all areas. And final part is to finish these lines. In that way, and now I change my my protective gloves, and really remember to use protective gloves, because this glue is really harmful to our skin. This is almost very difficult to take away. And now I replace these gloves. Okay, and now this my work is almost ready. This my cover is now installed in there, and there is this 2 millimeters glue in the Sika glue in there, and now I have to let this thing to dry like 10 to 20 hours, and then we have really excellent joint for last 20 years. And now I let this my thing to dry, and remember the temperature must be this 20 Celsius or then this 70 Fahrenheit, and time is plus 10 or better 20 hours. Excellent. And now this job is ready.